Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a wooden house shelf sitter. So I grabbed one of these wooden houses from Dollar Tree. This vintage plate for a door and a lock from an antique store. I only paid like $2 for it. I just love the color of it. A key that I had on hand. Some scrapbook paper that I found at Joann's that I absolutely loved. And some twine and some white paint. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint the whole house white. And once I had it all painted, I'm going to take it and lay my house on my scrapbook paper. But I'm going to pick the design that I want, so that's why I'm cutting from the complete center of the scrapbook paper and not really conserving the paper like I normally do. Because I really like the design that was in this part of it. Had like a little bit of the flower on it, another little design that I liked. So I wanted this house to have sort of a spring vibe, but also like a shabby chic. So that's kind of what I was going for. So I picked out that design in the center, and I'm just going to cut it out, and then I'm going to Mod Podge it right onto my house. Once I have it all on and it's all stuck, I'm going to take my sanding block and I'm going to sand off the edges of it to get the excess paper off and also kind of give it like a aged look. And so far, so cute. So next, I'm just going to take some hot glue and glue my little switch plate or door plate on right in the center. And so at the top, that used to be where the knob would go, and then the bottom, obviously, is where the key would go. And I'm not exactly sure the name of them, but I just call it a door plate. Next, I'm going to take some twine. I'm going to wrap it around the center, and I'm going to run my key through this. And then I'm just going to tie it in a big bow, and that is it. And I think this just turned out so cute. I love using the old vintage plate from the door, and I absolutely just love the color of it. I hope this inspires you to make one. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.